Hello guys, welcome to my channel Research Station. Today we will see the other settings on control panel. So today we will talk about date and time, how to change date and time on Windows 10. So we click on this icon on the control panel. If you have another look on your control panel just like this, you have to select here the large icons to see like this, or small icons to see like this. So we select large icons, we go to date and time, and then here is the window that allow us to change the date and time. So today it's November 12th, so we have to change the date and time here. We select like 13 and the time like 5, 6, 7. Here we have another option like change calendar settings. We can select it, and that it will show us the format English United States. Then the language preferences like the short date, month, day and year, long date, day, month, day, year, and some additional settings here. But for the decimal symbols like dot, or for other things like standard digits, user digits, and the list separator. You have the currency here for the customized format like dollars. We can change it to euro, so we let it to dollars. And then we have the time here. We can change it like hour, month, minute and time, and then the date here. So don't change these things. And another option is to change the language, but we will do another video for this thing. We have another window here to administrative, welcome screen, and new user account. So copy settings, like we can select the input language US, but you can install another language. We can change the system locale, like the system locale is English United States, but if you can choose another, you will change the time accordingly to the time that is in that country. So we click OK, we change it, and we click OK, and we see that the time now here is changed, like it's 13, but the date is 12 today. So we click again, and we can let it and change it in another place, like in automatic. Here we can change the time zone. We can choose like this time zone. Here we are in Italy, so we click Amsterdam, Berlin, Rome, Stockholm, Vienna, and the date will select in automatic. So if you choose this one, it will adjust clock for daylight saving time, like when the clock is changed. We click OK, and this option here notify you when the clock changes. So we have some additional clocks. You can put some other clocks like clock 1, clock 2. If I choose Moscow, and if I choose like Cairo, I apply, and it will show me the two other clocks here. You see, clock 1 and clock 2. So we can change another time. at the internet time, we can do some change settings and we update from the server or of the Windows. That update with time windows. You can see now that the date is changed and the hour is changed in automatic from the server of Windows. It changed, but it still gives an error because the time period is expired. So I hope you like this video and click the like button, subscribe and share. Bye.